direction that this country should take for the executives to follow.
Right.
Truth be told, this is probably the only term I will be serving in the Senate. Di man nato balibad ba nga when you're 71 years old na naging ka sa pre-departure area. Pero I'm not going to go without this last bang because there is really an opportunity unprecedented
and
in
you
our
feel
history.
that, sir.
I feel it in
your
bones.
guts.
I feel it in my gut. And I want to do something about it. I want to get us to ride that train. I want to get us to graduate and leapfrog from industry into the services area where the income is higher for the individuals.
Correct. No? That's why we miss you so much. Where did you go for the past 10 years? We wasted so much.
Nagtanong ko lasang, naglangoy-langoy ko sa dagat.
Pero, my God, 10 years of I don't know. That's why we need you back.
You will have me back. You will have me back.
Right. So, mauna, do we still have time? I want the Sir Lito to really address the people out there nga kanang we have to ride that train, no? That figurative train nga mauni ang atong dekada.
Dili ko gusto magduo mo nga dunay bintahan ubang mga nasod ug ubang mga tawo kanato. Tagaan lang nimo gigayon ang Pilipino mo hawd sa bisan unsang matang sa buhat. Nagpakita na nato na dinhi sa Subo. Gamay lang kayo ta. Unya muraog na naligsan ta o kadiyot yan tong duha ka mga administrasyon nga nangagi apan karon dunay chance labi na nga ang tibok Asia na ang nagsaka.
Di ta magpauwahi.
Gusto na ko Francit.
Kay Francit ba ta sa boom, sir.
Kita nga mo
Francit ang Cebu.
Ang Cebu ba?
Francit ang nasod.
Tibuok Pilipinas.
Oo. With the direction nga mahimusan ni Sir Lito para sa atong katawhan, and then especially kung tabangan sad sa atong mga friends out there na kung they want us ang country from ingon kita sir nga the country will be the great country that we want.
Right. Kanang the great country. That's why magkuan gyud ta sir kanang maghugpong gyud ta ba nga we should see you there, no? In the Senate kay murag ang mga plano manggod nimo kanang murag it's not doable for others ba parang for me dili nga I'm pleasing you, no, because I've seen your work. I have seen Cebu in a boom state nga kanang people were happy, everyone was
nakalagyan ko ang still nga sense of pride ba
nga we can do it di ba?
So maybe siguro
which brings us to the ganong nasuko na ko ang mga Tagalog.
Siguro anak sa siguro
nagimod ang atong national anthem, nagimod daw.
Yung tagtabunod.
I think this is an issue that should really come out.
Right.
To 75% of this nation, Tagalog is a foreign language.
Yeah.
Just like Cebuano is a foreign language to the other 75, to another 75.
Right.
Kanya, wa amang yung ko mo suggest nga pabinisayon sila.
Wala man.
Dila sa nila pugson.
Correct.
Wala lay pugson.
Our educational system should start in Cebuano, graduate to English.
Yes.
And theirs start in Tagalog and graduate to English. And in Ilocano, graduate to English. Why give our children double load?
Correct.
Diba? Ganong dublihon man ang atong kalisod.
Maglisod ba yun, sir? Maglisod ba yun?
Mga kuan ba books ba nga Tagalog na gani?
Oo, katong pag tinagalog na sa books
pila ka books sa inyong mga anak wa makapasar tungod kay dili makatinagaw. Ganun di man nato binisayon.
Ang isa sad na ang mga because there are words in English nga nang walay translation, proper translation in Tagalog.
Correct.
Ilahang i-Tagalize and tendency ang mga bata they do not know the correct spelling.
Correct, maglibog sir. So mauna na.
Lain naman ang libog sa tinatawag.
Bitaw. Asabi na sila maglibog. Pinuod di ay sige, wag na tayo maglibog-libog ha. Kay koan kanang really I'm from the bottom of my heart, sir, thank you for accepting our invitation to
Thank
be our
you.
honorary
I
woman.
enjoyed this conversation
Oh
very
yes,
much.
very much. And we enjoyed the learnings we got from you. And
Sa tanan
ang
ng-
secret ko, hindi niya alam, mga igsuon na ako yung secret niya.
Kung basig makalimot ka,
Oo, thank you also to Mr. Oscar Canton.
oo,
For
nasa kay gisulat nga pasalamat.
Oo. Uy, nagpasalamat di ay ta sa Prime Pack Hug Feeds kay Attorney Adel Tamano, ka board member Wambolo. Of course, sa pag-abag sa atong tulumanon dinhi sa CCTN. No? Salamat yun. Sir, salamat po sa imong time sa ato. Gihatag nimo namo dinhi sa babayi unya naghinaot ko nga kanang magpadayon ka sa imong krusada, and we are backing you all the way. Naami sa luyo nimo
Salamat kayo.
kay you've been there, you've done well, and so we're backing you up.
Yeah, ako ang
Naaro
daddy
yun
kay
eh.
Kwan
Thank
kay support
you.
Go, go, go.
Salamat.
Sir, let's ride that train. Okay?
Sigurado, Francis.
Francis, unya mga igsuon, wa naman tay igong panahon. Salamat sa inyong pagkuyog namo karong gabi una. Thank you for always watching us. Thank you for always watching Babayi. You can also view us through www.intv.com.ph. You can tell your friends and relatives abroad. You can watch us here in Channel 56 in Cebu, Sky Cable, and 47 on Free Channel. And there are other channel areas also in the Visayas and Mindanao, in Luzon, in Pasay, we can be seen in Parañaque, Atimonan, Quezon, Banahaw, we can be seen. So, what is it that we say, Attorney Joy? This has been Stella Palomo Monteño.
And Joy Fisquera.
Remember, there is nothing that a woman cannot do. We'll see you again next week.
Thank you, sir.